Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at the NCE loss implementation in TensorFlow. We are not going to look at the intuition on how it works, just the implementation part. For that, we would import the library TensorFlow STF. Then for this example, we are going to set the vocabulary size to 10. Let's say those are the 10 unique words we have in the vocabulary. Then we are going to set the embedding dimensions to 5. So that's the vector that would represent each word. And following that, we'll set the number of negative samples that would be used the NC during training to 5. And next, we'll create or initialize an embedding matrix as we see here that has based on the shapes that we have used above, vocabulary size, embedding dimensions, and then here is a simple input embedding, and this is a example tensor we have, and we have another true labels tensor to so we can use these as an input to the tf.nn tf.nn.nce loss. And what we can do is let's do this. I'm going to cut this and put this let's uh, put it here, NCE loss, let's say we give it underscore x there, and then use that inside of the reduce mean, and we could go ahead and print both. So I'm going to put this here, INC loss, and this is underscore x dot numpy, and run this. So this is the NC loss that we have, and as you can see, the inputs to the function tf.nn.nce underscore loss is weights, that is equal to the embedding matrix, biases, and that is we are initializing here. Then we have the labels, true labels that we created up above. Inputs, those are the input embeddings, which are these. And then the num sampled and the number of classes, that's the vocabulary size. So that is how we can implement the calculation for tf.nn.nce underscore loss in TensorFlow. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.